Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11 at 2019 Detroit Auto Show, and this is the Mahindra Roxor, and looks very similar to a Wrangler, of course. And in fact, there was a lawsuit, and Mahindra won that they look different enough from a Wrangler, so they didn't have to change it. But yeah, very interesting. It's only off-road only. Very small tires. These cannot go on road. That's what I was trying to say. It is a turbo diesel four-cylinder, and of course, very basic interior. Climbing inside, I can fit pretty easily, and actually, yeah, there's plenty of room. It has these rhino line floors, so don't worry about getting anything damaged in here. The wiper motors are just exposed. Pretty funny. And then the bed here has some storage capacity. Pretty neat. No airbag, of course, and that's why one of the reasons it's not road legal. And this is the cutaway of the frame. Very basic diesel engine, 5-speed manual, only 16-inch wheels, but it can tow 3,490 pounds. Interesting. And then, of course, the body is steel up above here, just like the old Jeeps. But these do get pricey. I mean, these are in the teens, I believe. So, not real cheap, especially for something you can't use on the road. But what do you guys think of this Chinese Jeep? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.